All right, check this out. This is the Ansel VOD 700. Nobody sent me this. I bought this with my own money. Reason I bought this is I'm doing a rear brake job on a newer Volvo that has the electronic parking brake, so I wanted to retract it with this. Now, EPB reset. Right there. Brake pad replacement. Okay, so you can select which type of vehicle. Many different vehicles. The vehicle that I replaced the brake pads on was the CX-40. Click on that. And then the year, 2020. And then it asks the engine type. So I was able to find the engine type that I have was B4204T18. And that's right there. You can select that. All right, maintenance mode. Maintenance mode. All right, it released. We'll hit OK. Now we're going to shut the key off and disconnect the tool. After you're done replacing the brake pads and they're all completely back together, then you can hook the scan tool up again. Turn the key to the on position. There we go. Plug this in. Electronic parking brake reset. XC40 2020. All right, so we already did maintenance mode. Exit from maintenance mode. Enter. And now the electronic parking brake's going. It's doing its thing. That should be it.
Moved a little bit.
Yeah, that should be it. Okay. And we'll just escape out of here. All right, I'll disconnect it. Overall, I really like this little scan tool. It definitely helped me out for doing the brakes. If you have a Volvo and you're going to be doing jobs like this, definitely look into this. You can check out the link in the description. Thanks.